Starting around 15 August 2023, torrential slide for the most part is exchanging at $12.23 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in most recent 60 minutes. Or so they by and large thought. Avax really has an especially complete market cap of $4,206,453,036, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $74,665,539, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. This really makes torrential slide Avax in every practical sense positioning at 19 in the digital currency market, which truly is very critical. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023. What will torrential slide for the most part be really worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is torrential slide a generally excellent speculation or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Will Avax value sort of outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they especially thought. These in a real sense are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost especially is supposed to especially cross an essentially normal value level of $14.49. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to really be $13.85 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Avax can sort of arrive at a truly greatest value level of $16.26 in an essentially enormous manner. Avax value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide truly is gauged to in every practical sense be at around and in every practical sense least worth of $12.11 in a by and large significant manner. The torrential slide value worth can generally arrive at an especially limit of $13.77, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which truly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide Avax value gauge September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may basically arrive at a kind of least worth of $13.14, while the genuinely greatest estimated cost basically is around $14.30, which generally is genuinely huge. The truly normal cost for Avax sort of is somewhat anticipated to truly reach $13.65 in September 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide sort of is supposed to really be at around a by and large least of $13.29 in a kind of huge manner. Torrential slide cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $14.85, with the truly normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. Torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for torrential slide could for the most part stretch around $15.55, or so they really thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 truly is $13.57, with a really normal cost of $14.20, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost generally is supposed to reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the for the most part normal cost of Avax for the December sort of stays around $14.49. Avalanche extremely past value examination, and the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been certainly diminished by 1.33% in its essentially current worth. So torrential slide value forecast December 2023. Torrential slide cost fundamentally is supposed to in every way that really matters reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023. While the truly normal cost of Avax for the December stays around $14.49. Avalanche exceptionally past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been certainly diminished by 1.33% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we by and large analyze the really current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap generally is additionally down kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential Slide is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The Avax fundamentally is down to nearly 2.98% in the essentially most recent 7 days. In every way that really matters, further appearance how Avax value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Torrential Slide for the most part is estimated to be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $12.11, which by and large is genuinely critical. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly passed in every practical sense, barely any days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for essentially in any case. We don't especially believe that it would a productive resource in momentary and a kind of large manner. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax essentially diminished by 42.402%, taking out an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of $9.01 from its especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a genuinely decent, for the most part purchase and open door for certainly fast interest in a by and large significant manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 31.23%, and the cost truly coursed from a truly least beautiful typical cost of $16.54 to truly greatest genuinely normal cost of $18.27 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, in a kind of significant manner. In fundamentally most recent 4 months, Torrential Slide in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which basically is very critical. Hence, we generally believe that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As indicated by the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Torrential Slide sort of is expanded from 4 months, which generally is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin basically is up by 1.26%, with the exceptionally greatest by and large normal cost of the coin, sort of was around $11.78, and the genuinely least especially normal value of was around $11.56 in genuinely beyond 4 months, which generally shows that the in every practical sense, normal cost for Avax really is anticipated to for the most part reach $13.65 in September 2023 in a sort of enormous way. Torrential Slide value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be Torrential Slide truly worth in 2023? All things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking, the Avax cost truly is gauged to essentially arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $16.26. With truly least cost of $13.85, toward the finish of